Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Kroger Fuel Points at Shell. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so one of the first things you need to do is earn Kroger Fuel Points. So for every dollar you spend at Kroger, you earn one fuel point. Sometimes Kroger offers promotions where you can earn additional points for purchasing gift cards, participating in surveys, or buying specific products. And now, to use your Kroger fuel points, what you want to do is find a participating Shell station. And be mindful, not all Shell stations participate in the Kroger Fuel Points program. So use the Shell or Kroger website or app to find participating locations near you. And now, to redeem your fuel points, what you want to do is insert your Kroger Plus card or an alternate ID phone number. When you arrive at the Shell station, insert your Kroger Plus card at the pump or provide your alternate ID, so your phone number associated with your Kroger account. And then from there, you want to follow the prompts. So after inserting your card or entering your ID, follow the prompts on screen. You'll be asked if you want to use your fuel points. And then the screen will display your available fuel points at the corresponding discount you can receive. For example, 100 points equals 10 cents off per gallon, 200 points, 200 cents per gallon, etc. Select the amount of fuel points you want to use for that transaction. And then from there, start fueling. So after confirming your discount, proceed to select your fuel grade and start fueling your vehicle. Step 4 here, monitor your fuel points. So it's a good idea to keep track of your points. So fuel points expire at the end of the month following the month in which they were earned. For example, points earned in January expire at the end of February. So make sure to use them before they expire. This could change down the track, but at this point of time in July 2024, this is what they are offering. And now here's some tips too. So some Shell stations may allow you to combine Kroger fuel points with other discounts or promotions offered by Shell. So just check them out as well. And yeah, just check for promotions as well. So Kroger and Shell occasionally offer special promos that can help you earn and save more on fuel.